welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 12th of May. Now let's look at what is buzzing. Going into market buzz under universe, we'll be selecting cryptos. And in cryptos, the one we'll be talking about is Binance. We can see for the past 24 hours, there are 323 articles towards it. And now let's look at what's the sentiment analysis. In sentiment analysis, we can see people are feeling neutral about it, and the subjectivity is 38%, which means people are being rational. Let's look at the trend analysis. In trend analysis, we can see that the professionals at Trading Central are saying that it may rise by 27%. Going into the chart, they're saying short term, as long as 488.06 is a support, look for 968.13. Remember, that's a 15% rise. And this is a daily chart. The current price is above 20 and 50 days moving average and also on top of the Bollinger Band. Looking at the comment section, they're saying the RSI is above 50 and the MACD is positive and below its signal line. The pair could retrace. Moreover, again, it's above the 2 moving average. Below is a series of support and resistance and the last price when this article is published. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you like, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe our social media, Facebook and YouTube. Also, don't forget to go on our website to check out the tools and information that we provide for you. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good trading day. Bye.